If you pull the list from Coco, you might notice that some of the names are formatted kind of funky. Some are lowercase, some are uppercase, some are upper and lowercase, some have multiple names. You'll need to go through and clean those up before you export these to your Word document. If they're cutting off like they are in my document, you can select everything and double click on one of these lines in between the cells and it'll expand all the rows for you at once. We can see that we don't have any duplicate names, name, comma, someone, except for Jed here. And that we have unique addresses and the 4 columns that we need. In this case, we need a name, address, city, state, and zip. So after you've gotten done making sure that you have all your names in there, you'll probably want to clean up this name field. Now, Excel, there is a quick and easy way to do this, depending on what you're looking for. If you hit equals and then start typing in lower, you're going to see some formulas pop up. Out of all of these formulas, we want lower. You can select that by hitting tab complete or going down the menu like I did and selecting it that way. You'll then select the cell that you want to change and then hit enter. If we drag this all the way down, this will automatically change everything in this field to lowercase. Let's say we don't want lowercase, we want uppercase. We can do the same thing. Equal sign, upper, tab to complete, select the data, hit enter, and then drag down. So now everything's uppercase. The one that I want to use though is equal sign proper, and this will capitalize the first name and the last name in all the fields. I want to Control C to copy and special paste just the values. I can delete my examples and save this as a CSV file. I'll select my desktop, just remember where you saved it. Mailing list, contact example 2.0. Great. All right, we have our mailing list. Now we need to export it to Microsoft Word. Blank document's fine. Let's open this up. We have our top ribbon, and we will want to go to mailings. Start mail merge, and scroll down to labels. It's not defaulted to 5160 Easy Pill, but you can get to that by navigating through this nasty menu and selecting it. And it's also recommended that you use Avery US letter from this dropdown. And then hit OK, but since it scrolled off of it, I don't want to do it. Or yes, I do. Okay, that's what I want. Your document's now formatted. We just need to import the information that we created from our Excel doc to come here. So what we do is go up to select recipients. We don't want a new list, we have an existing list. Select that, and then scroll to wherever you saved your document. In my case, it was my desktop. and my mail list example. Oh, it's locked for editing. That's fine, I guess. Yours probably won't say this, but mine does because I've been playing around with it to prepare this video. So now that we have next record, we want to, well, firstly import our name, address, city, state, and zip. You do this by selecting Insert Merge Field. We want our name, and then I'm going to hit Enter. Address, enter, city, space, state, space, and zip. That's kind of the format I want my label to be in. So now I'm going to update label fields. This will copy all this information down. To finish this, we go to Finish and Merge, Edit Individual Documents, select All, and click OK. So this is copied over our contact's name, address, city, and state, followed by our zip code, just left to right.